What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it go. It is your boy B back with another video. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And today, I brought fake clone AirPod Maxes so you guys didn't have to. Now, let me give you guys the backstory on these lovely Maxes, okay? Now, I brought Maxes from Temu, and I brought Maxes from my distributor, and I wanted to compare. Okay, now when I don't want to put these, it's a Bible right here. I will never put no products on no Bible. I'm gonna put them right there. But when I went to try and source these, I want to make it very clear. This was not my first option. Back around 2 years ago, right when the Max clone replica started coming out, and Temu, if you remember when Temu first came out, everybody was so hype about Temu. And I decided that I wanted to go get a pair of headphones. And I wanted to try and see, and this is before I even got on YouTube, selling products and talking about product marketing and all of that, right? I wanted to get a pair of Maxes. I did. And I just want to put this down for a second and show you guys the difference. It's a huge difference. Now, the box is not memorable, so I'm not going to show you. It's literally a box. So I'm not going to show you. It's literally a box that has these headphones on it, but they came like this. Now, I just want to tell you guys, Temu, this is Temu's quality. We're going to go through it, right? I used these for 6 months just as much as I used these for 6 months. The difference is that these were supposed to be the product that I actually sold to people in my stores. Little did I know, it wouldn't work. And I'm gonna explain to you why. So you have headphones that look similar to Maxes. This is what people think when they think of clones. They think of this, okay? And I'm getting angry because I remember I spent, I believe it was like $22 on these. Like I didn't buy the cheap ones, okay? Listen to these. You hear that? It's just plastic. So I remember when I got these, and I swore on everything that these would be nice. If you look at the bottom, now we're gonna start at the bottoms, okay? You look at the bottom, you see that there is a jack. There is supposed to be a mic right here, charging cable, and I believe this is like a vent or something. But then what threw me off is in the pictures, they never ever showed these buttons, okay? Didn't know anything about the buttons, because in the picture, it was like this. And then in the picture, it was like this, but they never showed the buttons, okay? The buttons. I don't think these will pass as anything close to Maxes with these buttons that sound like this. Okay, now, I digress from that. Then it was these adjustments. The adjustments are cheap plastic. I can feel them. When I literally try and just move this, I can already feel the low quality in these headphones. Okay, they squeak like I just showed you. When I pull them apart, it easily feels like they're gonna break. Now, one thing I will say about these is that they cuff your ears. They definitely cuff your ears, and you have a hard time hearing out. And as you see, because I'm not gonna say everything bad about Temu, they gave great quality when it came to these ear cuffs, because the ear cuffs are important when you wanna block out the noise so you hear the stereo volume. Now, volume, quality. These headphones have the same quality as an alarm clock, okay? Very bad. And that is what drove me to actually seeking out a different pair. Now, when it came to me wanting a different pair, I spent the next year and a half trying to find a distributor instead of relying on an AliExpress or a Temu. This was the last time I brought anything from any other website as far as products. This broke it for me, because I remember when I got these and then I drove all the way to Atlantic City to do a video, and not a video for YouTube, but it was a video for my promotion for my website. And I thought to myself, Hustle's trying to come in the room. No, Hustle. I thought to myself, I am going to sell a bunch of these, and didn't happen, okay? Now, that drove me to this point to where we got these, okay? This and this, completely different. Now, let me explain to you why, okay? Now, a lot of people don't understand the clones, right? I'm the one, in my opinion, I'm the first person that has ever talked about any type of clones. Everybody online talks about replicas, right? And let me explain to you the difference between a replica and a clone. A replica wants to emulate the exact signage of a product. A clone wants to emulate the exact product, but not the signage. Now, what I mean by that is, this is not trying to act like it's an Apple product, but it is trying to function like it is one. That's two different things. And when you are trying to act like you're Apple, you are more likely to get a copyright strike because you have the Apple logo, you have the Apple signage, the Apple pamphlet. These don't have that. So while these came in a box and these just came in a white box, this signage automatically looked better. Now, I had to talk to a distributor and I had to actually let him know I didn't want the signage on them. And I don't know many people that actually are selling clones anywhere, right? Not saying nobody's selling clones at all, but I don't know much. Now, as you guys see, and I promise you, these didn't come in plastic either. They came in a box, literally in a box, okay? Now, when take these out, we're gonna discount the plastic in the box. We're not really worried about the box or anything. This didn't come with a leather case. Didn't come with a pleather case, leather case, a styrofoam case, no case. This comes with the case. Okay, that was the number one thing, presentation, right? And then you see the holes at the top. This has no holes at the top. This doesn't have any similarity as far as plastic. Also, as you guys see, these are similar when it comes to design. Problem is, and I want to make them exactly look the same for a second. The problem is that these right here are highly functional clones. These right here are highly functional wireless headphones that are not nowhere near like what they portray. Now, as you guys look, right, the difference between the clones and just headphones you order off of Temu is they have the same buttons and the same spaces and spots that the Maxes, the regular Maxes have. You also can look at the air cuffs. If you look at these air cuffs and you look at these, you see a difference, right? You see that these air cuffs are more, they're like pushed in together. They're smaller, right? Now, what that does is it makes the speaker louder, okay? Now, also, what you'll see is that while I showed you guys the sound in the beginning, let's hear this sound. Do you hear any sound? No. Okay. Now, we're going to extend this out, okay? We're going to extend this out. Okay, and as we extend these out, now they're the same length. These go over my head like this. I can't even hear myself. I can hear the vibration in my voice. I can hear myself just a little bit, and also the vibration. They both fit snug and they both fit good, okay? The problem that I'm having though is that these right here, this, okay, this. Now I want you to listen closely, okay? This doesn't have a real quality speaker in it, which is the reason when you go like that, you'll hear a more hollow sound, but this is more of a, like a impact. This has something in it, this doesn't. This feels paper light, this doesn't. There's a clear difference between getting headphones off of AliExpress and off of Temu than getting headphones off of WESPLY.com and also getting them off of places like Alibaba and all of those different distributors that are serving wholesale communities and other people that are having to literally put these in front of consumers. Temu, if you don't know, is a app and a website that does drop shipping, but also they work with other resellers in a bunch of different places. So this came from, I think it was New York, and a seller in New York was selling this on Temu. But what I will tell you is this is crap. This crap, okay? Crap. This quality. You want quality. Make sure when you are looking to get some type of maxes that you're getting this type of quality. And we didn't look at the bottom. Look at the bottom. Let me pick these up. Where they at? Look at the difference in the bottom. Like, these are meant to look the same. Those are meant to just look good online. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, man. I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.